nice quick way to see the city with a very good tour guide. Also enjoyed the wine tasting add-on to learn a little about Croatian wines. Our guide was very friendly and light-hearted, which isn't something you always see in Croatian hospitality. Slavko did a great job giving us the tour. He truly loves his country. The wine tasting was a wonderful way to finish our tour. We learned a lot about the importance of pairing wines and local winemaking. Great tour. Was very nice to be able to learn so much about the area from a knowledgeable local. It could be a good option to add on museum tour and tickets, if possible. But still awesome tour as is. It was a great morning. Ivan was an excellent guide. The wine tasting was also a very good experience. We stayed and had lunch at the restaurant. The hostess was knowledgeable without being pedantic. Very informative guide of the palace. Wine tasting experience was fabulous. Marina was an excellent sommelier. Highly recommend her wine tasting experience. Great guide, very knowledgeable. Always asked if we had any questions. Easy to understand. We had the wine tasting experience again, good 3 wines with cheese meats, and again lots of information about the wines. A great tour. The guide was fantastic. A huge thank you to Jacob. And the wine tasting was amazing. We loved it. All 9 of us. The guides were excellent for both parts of this tour, the walking tour and wine tasting. The walking tour was efficient but interesting, and in the crazy heat, we appreciated the efforts to stay shaded and hydrated. It was only 2 of us for the wine tasting, and the wine bar was lovely. We tried extra stuff and were in a nice cool cave room which felt amazing after the hot walking tour. Perfect balance of tourism and relaxation, and good food and drink worth the money. Lovely to learn about the history of Split and see the key points of interest. The men singing in the vestibule was a highlight. The wine tasting was a lovely way to finish the tour. Great tour. Even though it decided to rain heavily, Marta, our guide, kept us going. She was very knowledgeable about the town's history. Excellent tour guide with a remarkable knowledge of history and the gift of storytelling. We had to leave a bit early due to some exigency, but we did so reluctantly. This was one of the best walking tours we have had.